the Hotel Apache, room 355. As you come into the room, directly on your left is your bathroom. You have a pretty big shower. You also have your sink and trash can. Some light features, and then over here you have a little rack with your towels, you have your ice bucket, you have your shampoo and conditioner and cleansing bars, you have your tissues, and then you have your toilet. The shampoo body lotion is from H2O Therapy. Over here on the right, you have your closet. Inside you have your iron, you have your hangers, as well as an ironing board and your luggage rack. And then as you come out, here is the main room. So right here on your left, you have a nice little table with some chairs. You have your Hotel Apache. They gave us a cool little keychain. Looks like a little player chip. You have your nightstand with your lamp and your telephone. Pretty average sized drawer. You also have your safe over here. Behind it, you have your connecting door if you guys have conjoining rooms. This room is a queen size room, so this is a queen size bed. You have your air conditioning unit over here, as well as a window. You can't really see outside too well. You can kind of see it through there. It looks like you're just looking out at another room. You have another nightstand over here with your radio, and then another drawer. Not much in there. You have some space down here on the bottom, and then there is also drawers right here underneath the bed for extra space or extra bodies. You also have your TV over here connected to the wall. And then something that I noticed just now is that inside the nightstand, this is where you have your USBs as well as your electrical socket. And that's gonna do it for this room here at the Hotel Apache. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know if you stayed here, if you want to stay here, if you've had any ghost experiences here. Let us know. Let us know in the comments below, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, so we saw online that this room is supposedly haunted, so we are just filming the room right now, just to get an idea of how we left the room, to see if anything changed when we come back. Okay, so we're gonna go back in our room, and it looks like everything is exactly as we left it. We were probably gone for what, 2 hours?
Yeah, about 2 hours.
About 2 hours, but it doesn't look any different.